Poso uvita matanga. Inter boys 4x1 Londoni Londoni go Londoni Londoni go Londoni Londoni go Londoni 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 Paris Excellent. Paris 4x1 senior girls walk. 4x1 senior girls coming on the stretch here. Nice change there. Here we go. Super Grammar leading next. Second by Jasper. Jasper is taking the lead now. Super Grammar is in front. And Jasper. Jasper is going to take it. Jasper is going to take it. Jasper is going to take it. This is the senior boys 4x1. Here we go, here we go. Who's going to clinch the final 4x1 senior? There they go, there they go, there they go. All the way around, all the way around, all the way around. Super Grammar is going to take it. Second, Arques. Na vole Londoni. Na vole Londoni. Final lap. Sub Junior 4x4. Final lap. Jasper is going to take it home. Because of the space that Jasper has created is bye-bye. And gold medal to Jasper as she comes to the final stretch. Jasper is going to take it. And the music, the Jasper music, the song, Jasper song is going on. Second is, I don't know, I'm not sure. Junior goes 4x4. Luchungori, ACS. First is ACS, second is Natambua, third is Jasper. And on the last stretch, here comes ACS. And ACS is going to take. They're going to take this one. Well, now ACS is closing up the gap. He's closing up the gap between Jasper and ACS, which is 9 goals to 6. Now it's 9 goals to 7. Intermediate. Final lap, intermediate. Intermediate. Or junior boost. There you go. Nice. Junior Bush, eh? Okay, the gold medal, the medal tally is, this is the final lap for the 4x4 intergirls. And Jasper's leading. Jasper's also leading the medal tally, which is 9-7, and I believe Jasper's going to win this one because the gap between the runners are very, very wide. Yeah. Oh, this is the, sorry, it's not, this is the last lap. Here comes the last lap. Here comes the runner. Sa play route na Sir Jasper. Here comes Jasper. And there goes Jasper for the final lap. Sprinter. Into. Final lap, Inter boys, intermediate boys, TBS, Natambua, Grama, RTS. Who's going to take this one? Who's going to take it? TBS still leading. TBS still leading. Natambua catching up at the back. TBS is. 4x4 final senior boys. Matay chico mengor Grama karo chico mo arke. 4x4 senior boys. First is Grama, second is RTS, and here they go. On the bend, come on RTS, come on boy, come on boy, come on. Really. Oh dear. We're so but no. Coca-Cola games. Open the happiness. Look at the people, man. People.